Welcome to our explainer on maximizing delegate engagement. Let's transform passive attendees into highly active participants, right?
We've all seen it. A room full of people just staring at their phones. Nightmare, right? Intentional design fixes this.
Here's the game plan. Set objectives, design the environment, build that interactive agenda, and finally, measure our success.
True engagement, it's when people actually participate, connect, and retain the info. They gotta leave feeling it was valuable.
So start by defining your core purpose. Figure out exactly what attendees should learn or do before planning anything.
Ditch the monotonous presentations. Lively panels and breakouts will totally beat passive reliance on a single speaker.
Actually, engagement starts before the keynote. A seamless arrival and completely frictionless check-in sets an active tone right away.
Get this. Physical seating literally dictates human behavior. Always match your room layout directly to the interactive goals you've set. Physical comfort is absolutely vital, folks. Ergonomic chairs and tons of natural light help keep everyone focused all day.
Please don't treat breaks as dead time. Use strategic breakout spaces to help delegates mentally reset and genuinely connect.
Food is fuel, right? Refreshments totally dictate mood and energy, so time your catering perfectly to support their focus. Pacing is literally everything. Avoid exhausting people by breaking your content into snappy, 20-minute interactive chunks instead.
Bake interaction right into the program. Things like live polling and facilitated discussions really help people process all that info.
A prepared presenter involves the audience so much better. Confirm AV early and definitely give them an audience profile.
Flawless tech keeps attention where it belongs. The content, poor Wi-Fi or bad audio, that destroys engagement instantly.
Doing a hybrid event? The right tech setup ensures your remote folks feel fully included, not just like passive flies on the wall.
Assign dedicated hybrid support roles. It lets your presenter focus purely on content while keeping remote attendees engaged.
Keep those post-event feedback surveys super simple. Focus strictly on these key metrics to pinpoint exactly what worked best.
Look way beyond basic satisfaction scores. Review hard participation indicators, like poll response rates, to shape your future programs. Ultimately, maximizing engagement requires a holistic blueprint. It's blending the venue, the tech, the catering, and highly intentional design.
Thanks for catching this explainer. I'll leave you with this. How will you measure event value before it begins?